This little tulip quilt on my left is quite old now, and as you can see, used some feature fabric for the border. But there are so many beautiful fabrics around at the moment, as well as jelly rolls, that I thought I'd share the quilt with you. It's basically based on a 2.5-inch strip of fabric. I've chosen 3 fabrics to be the tulip so that we get a grade of colour, but you could just do it in one. I've chosen a background fabric, and we've got a feature fabric that is surrounded here. The quilt finishes about 45 by 55, so it's just a little snuggle quilt. If you wanted to make it bigger, you'd have to add a few more tulip blocks and obviously the plain blocks, the setting blocks. You'd also have to do more of the setting triangles, but otherwise you don't have to change the sizing of anything. So you can make the blocks as per the pattern.